Hey guys, it's your girl Kinky here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome as well and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video I will show you how you can do your own knotless box braid on your own hair and how you can do it on your client's hair. So you will need of course some braiding hair. I'm using the Knotless braid from XPRESSION. It's already pre-stretched and pre-combed and detangled, but you can also use the regular like the usual XPRESSION braid. You will need some accessories of course, and you will need your own head moisturized, washed and cleaned and everything. Okay, so as you can see I've already pre-parted my hair, so it's easier to start braiding. And I will make, if I'm not wrong, 6 rows in the back, and in the front I will make 4 rows. So this is 1 row. First of all, excuse me for this quality. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but yeah, anyways. So before starting your braid, you always need to detangle it, so to avoid single strand knots. I'm using a sharp rectal comb to make my parts extra smooth and neat and flat. I'm also using the hair gel wax from Red One to separate everything and to keep away from flyaways. And I'm also using it on my part to keep it moisturized and to keep it straight. So now the thing with knotless box braid is that you can never start with a big piece of hair. Like, it will just look chunky and bulky and it's not cute at all. So you will need to start with a little piece of hair, like thinner than your hair strands, and every time you add a new piece of extension it needs to be bigger. So this means the first 3 hair strands are thin, the second 3 parts are like medium size, and the 3 last one are like a large size. So I didn't speed up this part, so it will be easier to watch what I'm doing. So as you can see, I'm dividing that part of the hair in 3 sections, and I braided like 3 times, so 1, 2 and 3. And if the 3rd time I add a piece of extension to the outer 2 hair strands, and then I braid 2 times, and then I add another piece of extension, then I braid another 2 times, I add another piece of extension, and that's like my first section of the small extension part. Then I braid 3 times again, and then I add the medium parts to the outer hair strands. Then I braid 2 times, I add another piece of medium extension, then I braid another 2 times, and I add the last piece of extension. Then I braid it down a little bit so it won't get bulky, and then I add like the large part of extensions to my braid, and that's when I'm finished. So this is for people who are a bit more experienced in braiding. So this time I will only add the extension on one hair strand. I braid 2 times and then I grab the remaining part of the hair or part of the extension to continue to braid. I hope I explained it well because it's a bit difficult to explain it, but it's really simple. So now when you come to the end of your braid, your 3 hair strands can become thinner, and it's normal, don't need to worry about that. But now I will lend a little bit of hair to make the 3 remaining parts equal, so it won't get bulky or like really unneat and not cute. So it's really simple. Okay, so now I will show it once again, so there's no need to rewind or to replay everything. Just sit back, relax and watch. Okay guys, these are the final results. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, to comment, to share and to subscribe. Be blessed.